Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation channel. I'm Emily.
Hi friends, I'm Paul. We are happy you're here today.
Today's video is special.
Yes, we will talk about 5 daily habits.
These habits are small, but they are powerful.
They can change your life and your English. Sounds good, right?
If you like learning English with us, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video.
Ready to start?
Let's go.
Habit number 1 is waking up early.
Some people don't like this habit.
That's true, but listen carefully. Waking up early gives you more time for yourself.
You can read, you can study, you can relax.
I wake up early every day.
Really? Even on Sunday?
Yes, well, most Sundays.
That's impressive.
When I wake up early, I feel calm.
Me too. The morning is quiet. You can think clearly.
And you can plan your day.
For example, you can say, I will study English for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is enough. Small time, big change.
Let's practice. Repeat after me, learners. I wake up early.
I have more time.
Drink water when you wake up. Before coffee, before tea.
Yes, your body needs water. Water helps your brain.
And your body feels fresh. I keep a glass of water near my bed.
That's a good idea.
Then I drink it right away.
I do the same.
This habit takes 1 minute.
But it helps all day. Let's use an easy sentence.
Repeat after me, learners. I drink water in the morning.
I feel more energy.
Excellent. Well done, learners.
Habit number 4 is very important. Say one positive thing every day about yourself or about life.
For example, I did a good job today. Or, my English is getting better.
Exactly. Well done. Positive words change your mind.
They help you feel strong. Sometimes we are too hard on ourselves.
Yes, we forget the good things. This habit is easy.
And very powerful. Let's practice together. I am learning English. I am doing well.
Nice. That was great. Now habit number 5, the last one. Review your day at night.
Think about your day. What did you do? What did you learn?
What made you happy? This habit helps you grow. You can do it in 1 minute.
Before sleep, I ask myself one question.
What question?
What was good today?
That's a good question.
It helps me sleep better.
Let's practice, learners. Today was a good day.
I learned something new.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn to speak, learners. We will ask questions. Please answer out loud. You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. What habit do you like?
Good. Any answer is okay.
Question 2. When do you drink water?
Nice. Question 3. How do you move your body?
Great job. Last question. Say one positive sentence.
Excellent. You are doing amazing. Let's review today's lesson.
We learned 5 daily habits. Wake up early.
Drink water in the morning.
Move your body.
Say one positive thing.
Review your day at night.
Small habits, big change. You don't need to do everything.
Start with one habit. Practice every day.
And practice English, too. Write a comment below. Tell us your favorite habit.
Or write one positive sentence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.
Bye-bye.